Friend, I'm Amy. Today, I will teach you how to install the APK's manually installation. And first, copy all the APKs into this USB and connect the USB with the device. From this device no YouTube, and I will show you how to install the YouTube APK manually. First, find the file manager and touch here USB. You can see the APK install and touch here. Here you can see many APKs, and you find the APKs that you need. We will try to find the YouTube. This is YouTube. Touch here. Install. And you just wait. Open. Then the YouTube installation is finished.